welcome back to Bleed Electrical. This is course on energy management and audit, and I'm Triveli Naidu from the Department of Electrical Engineering at St. Vincent Pallotti College of Engineering and Technology, Nagpur. In the previous video, we have already seen what is Energy Conservation Act and what are its 10 chapters. Now in this video, I'll be talking about the duties and responsibilities of energy managers and auditors. So let's get started. What is the major role that an energy manager has to do? It has to set goals, track the progress, promote the energy management program, that is, it has to create awareness inside the firm he's working for. An energy manager helps an organization to achieve its goal by establishing energy performance as a core value. Then what are its roles, responsibilities? The energy manager has to prepare an annual activity plan and present to the management concerning financially attractive investments to reduce energy costs. It has to establish an energy conservation cell within the firm with management's concern about the mandate and task of the cell. So there has to be an energy conservation cell in the organization. Then initiate activities to improve monitoring and process control to reduce energy costs. Then it has to analyze the equipments that are all there in the industry to make sure they are efficiently working or not. Then to ensure proper functioning and calibration of the instruments that are being used in the industry. They have to prepare information material and conduct workshop in order to create awareness among the staff. Then it has to improve disaggregating of energy consumption data down to shop level or profit center of a firm. It has to establish a methodology how to accurately calculate the specific energy consumption of various products. It has to develop and manage the training program for energy efficiency at operating levels itself. Then they have to coordinate the nomination of management personnel to external programs, means outside their organization also they can go and conduct certain external programs in order to create awareness about the energy efficiency programs. Then create knowledge bank on sectorals. Then national and international development on energy efficiency technology and management system and information denomination. Then develop integrated system of energy efficiency and environmental upgradation. Then coordinate implementation of energy audit efficiency. Then conduct a lot of project research. As far as funds are concerned from the government, they need to get their proposals sanctioned as far as their projects are concerned. So many activities an energy auditor and an energy manager has to do. They have to establish and participate in information exchange with other energy managers of the same sector through association, because we have seen the concept of benchmarking. Unless and until energy manager is updated with all the things happening around the globe, it cannot have a proper functioning of energy efficient programs. Okay, even though it creates a lot of things, it creates a lot of policies as far as energy conservation is related, but it won't be fruitful until and unless he is aware about what is going on in the rest of the industries. So he has to act in anticipation with the rest of the industries. Then duties. It has to report to the BEE and state level designated agency once a year, and the information with regard to the energy consumed and action taken on recommendation of the accredited energy auditor as per BEE format. It has to give all these data to the designated agency. It has to establish and improve data recording, collection and analysis system to keep track of energy consumption. It has to provide support to accredited energy audit firm retained by the company for conducting the energy audit. He has to make sure that once a year there is energy audit being done, and once the auditor gives all the necessary inputs about the energy audit, it is the role and the task of energy manager to make sure all the suggestion that has been given by the energy auditor is carried out in the industry or in the organization, and to provide support to accredited energy audit firm retained by the company, to provide information to the BEE, that is Bureau of Energy Efficiency, as demanded in the Act, that is Act of the Law of Conservation, Energy Conservation Act, and with respect to the task given by a mandate, means by its own organization, by its own industry, prepare a scheme for efficient use of energy and its conservation, and implement such a scheme keeping in view of the economic stability of the investment in such a form and manner as to be provided in the Regulation of Energy Conservation Act. So in all, it has to make sure that what all things are being elaborated in the Energy Conservation Act are properly maintained in the organization or the industry he is working for. So that's all for this video. In the upcoming video series, I'll be starting with unit number 3, that is mass and energy balance. Thank you.